Pretty tough to see, but this car is being fitted with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Here's who built the trans.
They're called the Ford AOD, automatic overdrive.
I guess this transmission has a 2500 RPM stall converter on it. And this trans actually is longer than the old trans, so we're going to have to fabricate a transmission crossmember for it.
With this thing bolted on, we have to make a piece that goes from here, and it's got to curve back, because this is a little bit longer than the original C4 automatic. To properly do it, the car should be sitting on all 4 tires. Put a bubble level on there. There's supposed to be like a 3-degree drop for drive shaft, purposes.
We're making a new one out of some plate stock. Here we made a template. We're going to cut out some pieces with the oxyacetylene torch. See if the old Chinese bandsaw's got her in her today.
Okay, good enough.
Here we're mocking up the trans mount. We're just going to tack this and fit it to the car before doing any sort of final welding. Here we're fitting the new trans mount on, and at this shop we don't have a welder to tack on the pieces, so this is going to be next to impossible, but we'll see what we come up with. Here's a look at the finished custom transmission crossmember bracket. Here the Mercury Cougar's getting fitted for a Firewall sound deadener and heat deflector. The old one just fell apart when they took it out. Here he's cutting off the template for the sound deadening material. Here's a remnant of the old insulation that's being replaced. Here's the rough cut piece, ready to be fit. So here it is stuffed up underneath the dash, and now the holes are going to be marked on the outside for trimming.